Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying compatibility. Confirm your PSU has the required wattage and the right 6/8-pin connectors for the new card. Once done, download the latest GPU driver installer to a USB and create a restore point. This saves time and prevents driver conflicts. Make sure to power down and unplug the PC, then ground yourself. Use a wrist strap or touch the case. Now open the case, locate the existing GPU, and prepare to remove expansion slot screws so you can begin the hardware swap. You remove the old card by unscrewing the bracket, releasing the PCIe latch, and pulling it straight out to avoid bending the slot. Then align the new GPU with the PCIe X16 slot and press firmly until it seats. Listen for the click to confirm engagement. Once seated, screw the bracket back into place so the card is stable. Next, plug in the required 6/8-pin power connectors from the PSU and connect your monitor to the GPU output instead of the motherboard. You boot the system and immediately install the GPU driver you saved, choosing the Clean Install option to remove remnants of the old driver. If Windows won't display or drivers crash, reboot into safe mode and complete the install there. Make sure BIOS primary display is set to PCIe if the system still prefers integrated graphics. Finally, run a stress test and monitor temperatures. If you see artifacts or crashes, power down. Reseat the card and power cables, and verify PSU capacity as a trouble.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.